Please, let this work.
Fire it up, Optimus.
The code. The code on these glasses indicates the Allspark is 230 miles from here.
I sense the Decepticons are getting ready to mobilize.
They must know it's here as well.
What about Bumblebee? We can't just leave him to die and become some human experiment.
He'll die in vain if we don't accomplish our mission. Bumblebee is a brave soldier. This is what he would want.
Why are we fighting to save the humans? They're a primitive, violent race.
Were we so different? They're a young species. They have much to learn. But I've seen goodness in them. Freedom is the right of all sentient beings. You all know there's only one way to end this war. We must destroy the cube. If all else fails, I will unite it with the spark in my chest.
That's suicide. The cube is raw power. It could destroy you both.
A necessary sacrifice to bring peace to this planet. We cannot let the humans pay for our mistakes. It's been an honor serving with you all. Autobots, roll out!
We roll. Team attention! Present arms!
At ease. Captain, Sergeant. Got your intel. Excellent work.
Thank you, sir. What about the gunships?
They're being retrofitted with saber rounds now. If they hit us again, we'll be ready for them. But won't do us much good if we can't get world communications back up.
Hey, kid. I think we got off to a bad start, huh? You must be hungry. You want a latte, ho-ho, double venti macchiato?
Where's my car?
Son, I need you to listen to me very carefully. People can die here. We need to know everything you know. We need to know it now.
Okay. But first I'll take my car, my parents. Maybe you should write that down. Oh, and her juvie record. That's got to be gone. Like, forever.
Come with me. We'll talk about your car.
Thank you.
Man's an extortionist.
All right, here's the situation. You've all had direct contact with the NBEs.
NBEs?
Non-biological extraterrestrials. Try and keep up with the acronyms.
What you're about to see is totally classified.
Dear God, what is this?
We think when he made his approach over the North Pole, our gravitational field screwed up his telemetry. He crashed in the ice, probably a few thousand years ago. We shipped him here to this facility in 1934.
Call him NBE-1.
Sir, I don't mean to correct you on everything you think you know, but I mean, that's Megatron. He's the leader of the Decepticons.
He's been in cryostasis since 1935. Your great-great-grandfather made one of the greatest discoveries in the history of mankind.
Fact is, you're looking at the source of the modern age. Microchip, lasers, spaceflight, cars, all reverse engineered by studying him. NBE-1. That's what we call it.
And you didn't think the United States military might need to know that you're keeping a hostile alien robot frozen in the basement?
Until these events, we had no credible threat to national security.
Well, you got one now.
So why Earth?
It's the Allspark.
Allspark? What is that?
Well, yeah, they came here looking for some sort of cube-looking thing. Anyway, Mr. NBE-1 here, a.k.a. Megatron, that's what they call him, he's pretty much the harbinger of death, wants to use the cube to transform human technology to take over the universe. That's their plan.
You sure about that?
Yeah. You guys know where it is, don't you?
Follow me.
You're about to see our crown jewel.
Carbon dating puts the cube here around 10,000 BC. The
first 7 didn't find it until 1913. They knew it was alien because of the matching hieroglyphics on the cube as well as NB1. President Hoover had the dam built around it. 4 football fields thick of concrete, a perfect way to hide its energy from being detected by anyone or any alien species on the outside.
You said the dam hides the cube's energy. What kind exactly?
Good question. Please step inside. They have to lock us in.
Oh, wow. So Freddy Krueger done been up in here or something?
Oh, no, man. Freddy Krueger had 4 blades, man. That's only 3. That's Wolverine. Right? That's Wolverine.
That's very funny. Anybody have any mechanical devices, BlackBerry, key alarm, cell phone?
I got a phone.
Ooh. Nokias are real nasty. You've got to respect the Japanese. They know the way of the samurai.
Nokia's from Finland.
Yes, but he's, a little strange. He's a little strange.
We're able to take the cube radiation, funnel it into that box. Mean little sucker, huh?
That thing is freaky!
Kind of like the itty bitty Energizer bunny from hell, huh?
Breaking the box. Gentlemen, they know the cube is here.
Banachek, what's going on?
The NB1 hangar has lost power, and the backup generator is just not going to cut it.
Do you have an arms room?
Get everyone to the NB1 chamber now! Let's go! They're popping our generators.